In this episode, I try finishing what I started last week with the spindles. Hang on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time, my name's Grant Tommy. This is my channel, Straight Six Fan, where I focus on relatable, budget-minded, and creative builds, like a little something I call offbeat hot rodding. But we keep going on the rat rod radio flyer today, trying to get those spindles welded up, the ones that I fell short on last week. So I put together a little time lapse for you guys to kind of show you how I got that process started, and let's roll that footage. Alright, hey guys, I hope that time lapse helped you explain how I got to where I'm at. About ready to tack these in place with the TIG welder, but first I'm going to double check everything. As you saw at the end of the time lapse, I was wiping down the vertical posts of the spindles with acetone so we can get a nice clean weld, and then I took the axle parts of the spindles out to hit it with the flap disc. So I feel like I'm in a good spot, but I'm going to get everything situated just right, get that 80 degrees nailed, and start laying in some tack welds. Okay guys, man, feels good. Finally got the spindles done. We'll work on the tabs after we can finally, this is such a huge milestone. I think I can reunite now the front axle with the body, the chassis. From there, we'll take care with the steering after we get this thing hooked back up to the chassis. But I'm pretty happy with it. I did have kind of I was off on one side, however, I've got the ability, I've got nuts here at the bottom that give me a little bit of adjustment, so we'll see how it all shakes out. But all in all, I'm really happy with what I've got. You know, didn't have a whole lot of time here on Sunday. I didn't even get into the garage till 4 this afternoon, and it's been this weekend I was trying to take care of, started restaining my deck, my patio. So who knows what'll happen this week. Of course, with the 4th, I'll pick up little bonus hours, time to work on this stuff. But I might be on the patio, I don't know. But this time next weekend, I think we'll have this guy married back up to the chassis. So that'll be a huge monumental step. That's going to do it for this show. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And feel free to comment whether you subscribe or not. I want to hear what you think, what I could do better. But until next time,